This paper is made from a toxic plant and can stay in perfect condition for over 1,000 years. It is called Dongba paper, an ancient craft of the Naxi people that has survived for over 12 centuries. Because the raw material comes from the poisonous Lijiang shrub, the finished paper is naturally resistant to insects and rot. But how are these dangerous plants turned into useful pieces of paper? The process begins by stripping the bark and drying it before soaking it in water for several days. After scraping away the outer layer, the fibers are boiled in wood ash water and washed in a stream to remove every impurity. Once clean, the material is pounded into a pulp and spread across a large wooden frame. As the water drains, a solid sheet forms that is later smoothed with a roller. Finally, a mineral coating is applied to make the surface white and ready for ink, creating a durable canvas for sacred paintings that will remain vibrant for generations. And that's how